When clients retry failed requests, your server can accidentally process the same payment or order twice. Idempotency keys in Redis let you guarantee each unique request is handled exactly once. Every time a client retries, your handler sees what looks like a brand new request. An idempotency key is a client-supplied ID that lets Redis act as the gatekeeper, so the real work only ever runs once. The entire claim happens in one atomic setNX command. Redis either sets the key and returns OK, meaning you own this request, or returns nil because someone already claimed it. There is no window for a race condition. Watch what happens when we fire the same key twice. The first setNX returns OK, and the second returns nil, so no duplicate work runs. The EX option sets the TTL to 86,400 seconds, bounding memory use automatically. The two most common bugs reviewers miss are a missing TTL, which lets keys pile up forever, and a split exists then set pattern, which is not atomic and opens a race condition between two concurrent retries. One atomic command is all it takes to enforce exactly once processing. Claim the slot with setNXEX, check the return value, and always set a TTL. If you see a two-step exists, then set in a PR, flag it immediately.